In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to perform a BIOS update for this particular model of motherboard from ASUS. Keep in mind that the same general steps can be applied to other motherboard models, even ones not from MSI or ASUS. All that you have to do is download the files needed for the update, so go over to the official ASUS website and you will have to load them into a USB drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage, just enough to house these small files. I recommend formatting the USB drive beforehand. On the official ASUS website, you can use the search function to look for your particular model of motherboard. In this video, the TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi. Choose it from the list, and once you arrive at its page, go over to Support at the top. So you will see Overview, Tech Specs, Review, and Support. Now, when you go into Support, choose Driver and Utility, and then switch from Driver and Tools to BIOS and Firmware. It might take a while, the page is very slow, but once you go into BIOS and firmware, you will be able to download it here. So click download, and now you have to extract the BIOS file into the USB drive. So if it arrives in a zip like this, right click, extract it somewhere, and then grab the BIOS file, and then drop it into the USB drive's storage. With this done, insert the USB drive into any of the available ports on your motherboard. Make sure that you insert it into the motherboard and not your case. This is very important. And now go into the BIOS itself. Inside of the BIOS, if you are on easy mode, use F7 or click the menu at the bottom right to go into advanced mode. Inside of advanced mode, you will have plenty of more options. You have to go into Tool and then select ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility, so it is the first option under the tool category. Now, in Easy Flash, your USB drive is going to get recognized as a storage device, and you can select the BIOS files that you downloaded from this list here. So select the files, and then the update will be performed automatically. Let this process finish fully and ensure that power does not go out, as it could corrupt your motherboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.